Justin Deseck here, London, Ontario realtor, back in East London today at 1697 Moffat Avenue. This is a 2+1 bungalow with 2 full bathrooms, a detached garage, huge detached garage, and a lovely, lovely bunch of updates. Let's go check it out. So this is your main floor living space here, a very spacious living room with new flooring, new drywall and potlights on the ceiling. You'll love all the natural light coming through the windows here. This is where you'll likely spend most of your time on the main floor. Imagine having a TV here and coming home to see your family daily. Perfect home, move-in ready for a young family starting out or somebody downsizing in retirement. So here we are now in your primary bedroom. A question that a lot of people ask me is, Justin, does the primary bedroom have enough room for a king-size bed? The answer here is absolutely yes. Even though this is furnished with a queen, there's tons of room in here for a king-size bed, loads of closet space, lots of natural light. Again, all new flooring, light fixtures, move-in ready, guys. So this home has ample space here for a formal living room. So we've got this set up here for a dinette. Loads of counter space here. Again, natural light with your 2 windows, which is amazing. A pantry on this side of the kitchen, another pantry on this side of the kitchen. Some newer appliances, brand new stove, brand new dishwasher. Do not miss the chance to come and check this place out. So here we are now in the lower level where we can talk about my favorite feature about this home. The future of real estate includes multi-unit dwellings, whether it's a backyard suite or a basement apartment, granny suite, what have you. This home lends itself well with the egress window in the bedroom and the perfect side entrance. You could easily set this up as a legal apartment or have additional family members living down here in their own space with a full bathroom and loads of living space. So we're gonna finish up today's tour in the lovely shaded backyard of this home, nestled in one of the more quiet locations that you're gonna find in East London. You can get to shopping in less than 5 minutes. Various schools. There's actually a school right out back here, so lots of green space right in behind you. Less than 10 minutes to get to the 401. You've got your garage, you've got your carport, you've got a small deck, and you've got a lot of privacy back here. So if I can help get you through this home, don't hesitate to reach out. Justin Deseck, London, Ontario realtor. Bye for now.